Hey, Bo. That's the one.
This light, that soft box stand.
I think I have the small soft box. Is it the same? Let me see. Yeah, I have the soft box.
Yes, you just need the light.
Yeah, I just need the light and the stand, a proper stand. All right. Hi guys. Go ahead.
Hi guys, my name is kgantso.
Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, lebitso la ka ke Johanna wa Manchu and ke na le mang?
Thanks so much.
And welcome to my channel.
Sorry, my dad Instagram wants yeah,
Enjoy yourself.
So guys, Rose Bank, we just went out. I wanted to go to egg egg shop so I can get my body butter and scrub. So we're just here waiting for food right now. Thank you.
Finally. This is too much.
You can leave some.
Why does it smell like cheese? Why does it smell like cheese?
It smells like cheese because it's cheese.
But I mean, it smells like milk.
Kgantso. And this is my food. Yes, I'll eat it.
Oh,
Put it there.
you?
Yeah, you can put it there. I feel like this grape juice doesn't go along with the food. This food needs Coke. Let's just get Coke. So yeah, it doesn't even have sugar. I need to get Coke. Kanto is the one who's enjoying a grape tizer. Mine is not nice.
Mine is nice. Look.
But the mini burgers, they're very nice. I added a little bit of chilies. They give you chilies to add some kick. So yeah, that's what I added. So
And
if I were
this
to get someone to give me Coke
this many pasta, they are yummy.
okay,
They are yummy
mm-hmm.
and tasty
Okay,
and soft.
I guess it just a canto di monate. Yummy, tasty, and soft. And then she's only eating pasta in cream sauce. It's food. Okay. Go. Hey, wena kasixebi. Yes, girl. I want water.
No ice cream for you.
Can you have ice cream?
Huh? You don't have ice cream.
Okay. Hello good people, hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's like Johanna Mahamanchu, and thank you guys so much for being here. Guys, I am super excited on the unboxing that I'm going to be making with you guys. I'm very proud of myself. Without wasting any time, if you're new here, please click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my videos. It was long overdue. I've been postponing to do this video, then I'm wasting my time and I'm affecting my content, right? So this other time when I went out, actually this is going to be on the video where I went out with kgantso, and I hope you guys are gonna be enjoying this content. So we passed by camera stuff. I think it's camera stuff. It's called camera stuff. And I bought myself some babies. I bought myself a lighting. Oh, guys, I am so excited. You know, guys, you always say don't buy this until you get this brand, until you do this. But maybe some of us are not destined to work with brands, eh? Maybe some of us just like hear and share what we love doing. Because actually when I started my YouTube channel was just to share what I love doing, and I invested on a camera. But the camera, I bought the camera with the money that I got with some of the brands that I've been working with. And I bought myself some continuous lighting. Ooh, but I bought, you know what's the funny story? I bought these before a take a lot during Black Friday, and the light was not working, and I returned it and they didn't have any in stock. So I charged the money and bought myself a camera, but I didn't do anything bad. So let's unbox this baby. Ooh, I'm sing my voice. This is the cover. This is the actual life. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I hope it doesn't make that too much noise. Look at this baby. It's the Godox SL60 watts. The 60 watts, guys. I'm sure I do have some foodies that are using this lighting, and maybe I will link their thing, their, what do you call it, their page, so you can go learn the advantage and disadvantages of this lighting. Because before I bought it, I went and did research, and this was actually affordable. So I was like, maybe I can afford these, because this, it doesn't break the bank. And I can't remember where the price is, but at camera stuff, they normally sell them in as a package, right? So you get your light, you get your stand, you get your thingy, your softbox, and this is the softbox. Wow. I love it because it comes in the bag. This is gonna help with putting this, you see. Hey guys, once again, camera yaka frustrated. I think I get frustrated simply because I don't have that light. So this house lights, they give you yellow color, and I'm so sorry, you're gonna have to deal with it for the last time. And then this is the softbox cover, but some people use it without the cover. But if you don't want the light to be too much, this is giving you all this natural light. And I think it's 2 covers, and this is the inner for the cover. It's the inner for the cover. And then those who are like so obsessed, if I'm saying something wrong, you better comment and correct me. Okay? Ooh, this will need some manpower. And then I don't know what needs to be done with these, but I'm quite sure I will need to use them to hold these socks. Guys, you know I'm unboxing this at the wrong time because my husband is not here. Who's gonna help me? Huh? Who's gonna help me? But I think this is easy. You just put this, I'm not sure what to call this, whether the strings or something. Well, we shall figure it out. YouTube thing, I guess. So we get some way to balance, to give it a balance. Oh, guys, I'll figure it out. And then I am so hungry, very, very hungry. Oh my goodness! Oh my god! This is so nice. Like, guys, this is like profession on another level. I need videographer. Guys, I need videographer. Whoever, I have equipment, please say. I have equipment. I can't be shooting this thing. My husband is not into this thing. I'm like forcing him. This is so heavy. It's so heavy. I love it. I love it. Because the ones that I had, they were so flimsy. They are within few days. What did they are? Oh my goodness. My goodness. My goodness. So this means I can be able to shoot content, guys, even at night without worrying about the yellow lighting. Oh my goodness. I'm so grateful. Like, I am super grateful that I can be able to do this for myself. Guys, I love cooking. I love cooking. Like, I would get anything and everything to improve my content. To improve my content. Some people, they already say I'm improving, and I love it. Ooh, it springs, guys. Ooh, okay. This is so, wow, this is the longest like stand I've ever seen. Ooh. Maybe this is a 2 meter. There's no manuals, nothing. Really? Nothing? There's nothing. Like, there is definitely nothing. Okay, guys, if I remember correctly, I'll definitely put the prices on this video, and I will put the link of where I bought this. So they sell them like 1, 2, 3, 4, 4,200 rand. Yeah, it was discounted to 4,200 rand, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, and I bought what do you call? Oh, now the name went out of the window, meaning my mind, it's gone. The light protector thingy, that the one that looks like it's silver, where you put on, like, on your windows where there's a whole lot of too much light, so you cover a light protector, if I may call it. Okay, guys, let me figure this thing out and we shall talk. Because I'm gonna have to use my phone. If you love this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.